Okay. Maswali mengi kichwani mpaka sasa silewi. Wanakuja na mengi unauliza silewi. Kwani uone nafanya nini? Pia Sam niko makini, usiulize nafanya nini. Demu wako nampiga pini, mana ameshanielewa yeah. Uzikagoma kwako nigga, ila kwangu mimi ndo ameshanogewa yeah. Silewi kwa nini uelewi, upende kipewa vuwewe upewi. Utafutu unalala matuki, niona na ngao na sonya kadu. I came in but it wasn't for you, then you came up to me, now it's all up to you. Sanzisha mimi sawa namaliza, nikanzisha mimi huwa namaliza. Now they wanna rumble, I see you, you standing there, buti kama mugambo. Mwana nimepoa ila to these niggas I see. Fuck being humble, I keep moving whenever I stumble. See I'm coming for you, I'm coming for the bigger dough. Don't tell me that I'm moving slow, you're switching the sides, I'm switching my flows. Maswali mengi kichwani mpaka sasa silewi.
Hey everybody, what's good? Yeah, so I'm on my way to school right now and there are some people staring at me because I'm vlogging, but then I don't care. Anyway, it's not so cold today and I was going to wear like a shirt and a jacket because it's not so cold today, but then we need to take pictures in this, so that's why I had to wear it today. So I wear this for pictures. Anyway, I'm holding a ring light because I got a new ring light like you guys saw in my previous vlog. So my friend asked for my old one, so I'm taking it to her. That's that. And then what else? I'm heading out now to school, so yeah, I'll see you guys later.
The left door will be used.
Say hi. It's just because of DG and so she's so great, so guys, see the price of this thing. Not me. I'll wait till my mom sends it from home. Quite proud. I was about to pick it up and then I saw. I'll wait for it from home, eh? What are these? This is a good place to shop for the general shopping. Guys, I found Rice Krispies. Can't even believe it. I'm so happy. But this is not Cocoa Pops. What is this? Cocoa Balls. Why are you laughing?
Stop now, stop.
Why are you laughing? What is this you're eating? I'm not used to this. What's this? Anyway.
See, my birthday is for 12 days. This food is going to last.
All this what is watermelon. Don't complain. It's Chinese, huh? Say it in Chinese.
Is this orange?
Tangerine. Is it tomato? There's this tomato they eat.
Yeah,
this is for fruits. What's up, guys? So I just got back not long ago. My friend just left. I didn't vlog a lot. Anyway, I didn't update you guys. I'm helping my friend cook for his birthday. Not really cook. I was supposed to cook, but then we changed our mind. And we're just going to make small chops. If you live in Nigeria, or if you're Nigerian, you probably know what small chops is. Small chops is like Nigerian snacks, like puff puff. Then I'm making pepper chicken and samosa. Yeah, I don't know if samosa is Nigerian food or what. Anyway, and then my friend is making this shawarma. yeah, my friend is making shawarma. I'm not making that because I can't make all of that, so she's helping with that. About 3 weeks ago, I did a vlog of me cooking for one of my friends' birthday too. Yeah, I'm a good cook like that. Anyway, I did a vlog of me cooking for my friend's birthday, but then that vlog was just all over the place. Even this vlog is, I don't know what I'm saying. And that was the birthday party I went for that I broke my phone, so everything was just all over the place, so I didn't get to upload that. So yeah, that aside, anyway, I'm going to take you guys through like part of the process of that. So yeah, hey guys, welcome back to my kitchen. Anyway, so this is like 3 hours later. I slept, I showered, what else did I do? I watched YouTube videos and I edited some of my videos. So right now I'm ready to start cooking. I'm actually so tired, but then like I just have to do this for my friend. So yeah. Hey guys, what's up? So yeah, this is fast forward to today from yesterday. Yesterday I slept so late because I was trying to like finish what I was doing, but then I didn't finish. I actually finished this morning. I woke up so early in the morning and finished because I had to film, and I didn't film till now. I just got done filming. I filmed my giveaway video and an unboxing. As you can see, I just finished taking the pictures for the giveaway. So if you haven't entered that, I don't know if it will be up by now, but then if it's up and you haven't entered my giveaway, you better go and enter now. So yeah, I'm just getting ready. And then my friend whose party is this evening is like a house party, and like I made some Nigerian snacks for him. I'm going to take that there very soon. So I don't know how that's going to go yet still. Anyways, we're probably going to go to the club tonight and just have fun and all of that. So yeah, I just thought to update you guys. And then I made some samosa. Excuse my shapeless samosa. Yo, it's hard out here. Yeah, this is just some pepper chicken. So that's all I made. Oh man, I make it fine now.
Eat from home, thinking there'll be something else, but you know, this is a guy's house. Small chops. But before we go ahead, I don't have a number, so why did you choose me? I'm not paying. I said you wanted to choose yourself. Don't kill the vibe. She said straight after our
Hey babe.
Let me show you.
Hi guys.
Look at this thing. Look. This is with the door. You know in China they have the one. I'm telling you. I'm people wear it. Very. Chinese. I really saw the Chinese wear this. Yes. Are you sure this is your second? It's everywhere. Celebrities as well. That's
Guys, so it's been a while since I last came and checked. When you guys hear about 4 days, I don't even know why. I've just been chilling, you know. Today is Tuesday and yesterday was Monday. I had one class yesterday, but then I didn't even go to school because I really couldn't be bothered. I was really tired. The weekend was just not enough for me. Yesterday I just took yesterday out to rest, honestly. Right now I'm meal prepping. I just washed my bowls. So I just finished frying some chicken, and then these are my bowls that I just washed. And I'm about to make sauce and some rice. I'll show you guys when I'm done. I have my salad, I have chicken, I have my sauce, and then I have some rice. I'm doing all of this because this week is going to be very hectic for me. I have exams and then I have a lot of work. So yeah, this literally took me like an hour to cook. I just looked for something really quick. So yeah, we're good to go. Bye. Hey guys, what's poppin'? What's good? Today I'm traveling. I'm going to go and make a client's hair, so I'm going to be traveling. Today's Friday, by the way, so, and it snowed yesterday for the first time. I think winter has come. Anyway, so I haven't gone out since it snowed. Okay, when I was coming back from the gym yesterday, that was when it actually started snowing, like really snowing. So yeah, but then it's a lot right now, so I'm just going to go, and I just thought I should check on you guys. So winter jacket, and then I'm wearing another denim jacket inside, and then I'm wearing like a top inside. You guys, I have some things that I like aerosols, and I don't think they're allowed on train. So because like my got2b and hair mousse, all of that hairspray, I'm just going to put them in this big pocket here if they don't let it. So that's a tip if you have a big jacket, because I need to take them. I need it to make the hair. So yeah. Guys, everywhere looks so beautiful. Like, oh, I wish I had somebody to take me pictures. Like, look at this side too. Oh, it doesn't look as good in the pictures like in the video because it's so slippery. Oh my god, I need to be so careful. It's really slippery. Anyway, today isn't even going to be so cold. I feel like it's tomorrow that's going to be extremely cold, because it's always so freaking cold the day after it winters. Jesus, sorry, it snows. It's always so freaking cold the day after it snows. So I'm just walking down to the tram. It's not so cold though, as I expected, because today is actually the day after it snowed, right? Yeah, today is, but then it'll probably be so cold tomorrow. I'm seeing some old people like cleaning the floors of snow so we don't slip and fall. Yeah. Anyway, see you guys later. Guys, I'm so exhausted and I'm pissed on the lowest of keys because Sarah was traveling and Sarah forgot to take her passport. So I got to the station and I had to come back. Like, I'm so happy that I went. I actually like left so early. If I had gone late, that would have been if I had gone late, that would have been the end for me. Like, I would have missed my train. But then I'm so happy I went like 2 hours earlier. Right, I was already on my way by like 2 hours earlier. So I still have like 1 hour to go. And it's about 30 minutes from here. So